In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find web traffic source in Google Analytics GA4. By the end, you'll know exactly where your visitors are coming from, whether you're looking at a single landing page or all pages across your site, using the standard reports inside GA4. First, open your Google Analytics account and make sure you're in the correct property for the website you want to analyze. On the left-hand sidebar, click Reports. This takes you into GA4's reporting workspace, where you can quickly break down performance without building custom explorations. From here, click Generate Leads. This collection groups reports that help you understand how your site attracts and engages potential customers. If your goal is to see traffic sources for a specific landing page, choose the landing page report. This view focuses on the first page people hit when they arrive, so it's ideal for assessing acquisition quality for a single entry point like a homepage, blog post, or campaign page. If you want to review traffic sources across all pages on your site, click View User Engagement, then select Pages and Screens. This report lists every page that's getting traffic, along with metrics like views and engagement time, so you can see what content is drawing attention. To break these pages down by where visitors came from, look at the top of the table for the plus icon that lets you add a secondary dimension. Click the plus icon, then choose Traffic Source. In the menu that appears, select Cross-Channel and then click Source/Medium. This adds a second column to your table that shows the origin and type of traffic for each row, such as Google Organic, Direct None, or Facebook CPC. It's a fast way to see whether search, social, paid, or direct sources are driving visits to each page. By default, GA4 often displays data for the last 2 days in these reports. If you need a broader view, use the date picker in the top right corner to change the range. You can switch to the last 7 days, last 28 days, a custom time frame, or even compare periods to spot trends and seasonality. That's the process. Open Reports, go to Generate Leads, choose Landing Page for a single entry point or View User Engagement, and then Pages and Screens for all pages. Click the plus icon, add Traffic Source, select Cross-Channel, and pick Source as Medium. With the date range adjusted to fit your needs, you'll have a clear picture of which channels are fueling your website traffic.